Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So to do this, firstly you have to tap on this arrow, then select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Tap on the arrow, then select your region, could be Australia or better Austria. Then you have to choose keyboard, so you can select just ordinary keyboard or voice typing. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy policy, tap on arrow key. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable them all, but in any case you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up a password, which is screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then I suggest you to disable everything. Here, tap on the arrow, then you can select default launcher, so it could be classic or app drawer. I suggest you to use app drawer because it's like a better way to keep your apps organized. And setup complete. You're ready to rock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.